Alright, Happy New Year ladies and gentlemen. The first video of the year, so I had to make this positive and motivating. So today is the top 5 things that you should be doing as a DJ in the year 2021. Let's go. What's good you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. First day of the year, and today is the day when everyone around the world makes those New Year resolutions and things that I want to do this year, this and that and all of that. So today I'm here to tell you what I think is something that the DJs should be doing in 2021 and top 5 things at least. I will not take a lot of your time. Today's a day for you guys to start the year, so this is going to be a quick video. Number 5, utilize the DJ tech that you have to the fullest. So gone are the days when DJs actually use CDs anymore. Most DJs around the world now use USBs, but there are still people who use USBs but they don't use it to its full potential. I mean, they use USBs to dump the music in, create folders in the USB and plug and play. But guys, use Rekordbox and analyze those pen drives using the Rekordbox DJ software. Create playlists in the software. If your USB is analyzed by Rekordbox, what you can do with that USB is a lot more than what you would do with a USB that just has music. Analyzed music is amazing when you plug it to your CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 or any of those CDJs from Pioneer. It works amazing and you have a lot more functions and a lot more information on your display. So use the tech that is available, guys. Please make sure that this year you use technology to the fullest and make sure that you use tech to your advantage. Number 4, create original content. Well, this is a funny one because original content means a lot of things. Now, when I say original content, I don't mean to say that you need to produce your own music. No, I'm not just talking about music here. Anything that you do as a DJ, even if it's a video, even if it's a routine, even if it's a new kind of DJing or new scratch technique or whatever you do, make sure you do it original. Be original when it comes to creating content and please deliver or release more original content this year. 2020 was a waste of a year and in 2021, make sure that whatever you put out with regards to content online, try to keep it as original as possible. Even if it's a remix of another track, try to play it or mix it in a very unique way that only you can do it. And that is when you will be noticed by people around the world. And when you do something original, you guys will definitely be noticed by the clubs, by the event managers, by people who get you gigs, and you guys will definitely get a gig if you are a little more original, because there are a lot of us now. DJs are everywhere. I mean, there might be less doctors and more DJs if you ever call out. So why do you have to be like everybody else? Why can't you guys be unique? So please make sure that this year you have this in your mind somewhere that I need to release original content. Number 3, add something to your skill set. Now, I think that adding something to your skill set should be one of the essential things that you should be doing this year. Because when you're DJing is not just about mixing 2 tracks, right? And that is something that you will be doing while DJing. You can also scratch, you can also use the mic, you can hype up the crowd, play the greatest music ever. But hey, you just don't want to be stuck there. Music is not being released as often as it was used to for whatever reason. So why not add something to your skill set? Maybe learn a new instrument, pick up the keyboard, pick up the guitar, or even if it's a drum instrument or a percussion instrument. It will be interesting to see you perform DJing and an instrument live, and that will be an interesting thing. It will add up to your value as a DJ because you're not just a DJ who mixes 2 tracks, you also do something else while DJing. So add something to your skill set apart from just DJing, and that is something that will really make you stand out among all the other DJs around you. Number 2, increase your social media visibility. Now, when I say social media visibility, I'm not asking you to spam the people with whatever pictures, whatever videos, whatever content that you have and post them online. No, I don't mean that. What I mean is start using social media to your advantage. Start putting out pictures of your gigs, start putting pictures out of your content like music, start putting out pictures and videos of you playing something or performing a certain kind of a routine, or even if it's a remix that you produced, do that. And if you're playing for a certain gig at a certain club, use social media to promote all of that. And I still see there are a lot of DJs who don't use social media. They're just very happy in their small little bubble of 5-10 people that they know. Use social media so that you can at least start showing your skills to more people, so more people can know about you. That's what I mean, right? So why not use social media for that? What I would recommend doing is at least try to post one picture in 2 days on Instagram or Facebook, and follow all the people who inspire you and see how they use social media for their advantage, and maybe try to replicate that. When I say replicate, don't just copy as they do and then post a picture just like they did in your Instagram or Facebook. Try to see what they're trying to show in that picture and do something similar and in your own style. Remember, be yourself whenever you're promoting yourself on social media. Don't try to fake it. Everybody can clearly see it when you're trying to fake it. So use social media and be more visible. And the number one thing and the most important that I think is stay positive and stay focused. We all know that 2020 was a very special year. It was extremely difficult for all of us to survive this year, and now that we are in 2021, accept the fact that this is going to be the way of life. And all of a sudden, this has become even more challenging. The culture, the art form, the DJing world has become even more challenging, and there has been a lot of competition. So whatever other 4 things that I just told you, please oblige to that. Try to do those things so that you can stand out of all the other thousands of the DJs that are available who are trying really hard to get work. But now it's become a competition. You guys have to stand out. So do all these things, and while you do all these things, remember to be focused. Ask yourself, what was the reason for you guys to get into DJing in the first place? Get your answers and stay focused in that. Try to reach your goal and make sure that you're positive along the way. And that is what I think is the number one thing that you should be doing this year. So that's about it, guys. Those are my 5 important tips that I wanted to give you guys that you must be doing in this year, in 2021. And I hope that you guys have a great year ahead, and 2021 is a blessing to all of us. Remember, in 2020 we used to say that 2021 is the year. 2021 we all will win, we all will shine through, and we'll all make it even better and beyond what we were doing earlier. Please remember that and stay focused towards that. And that's all I had to say to you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today, and this was helpful, positive and motivating. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Once again, wishing you all a very happy new year. Take care of yourself, guys.